Hey, welcome back to the Miniaturia channel. I haven't posted in a long time. I'm sorry. I was sick and still kind of am. It completely ruined my pre-holiday plans, but I'm slowly coming back. And today we are going with some dopamine content, opening the mini worlds, aka what we like the most. I have 3 color sets and 3 balls from each color, and we will start with the white one. I have no idea how they differ or what category they will be from. We will find out in a practice. Let's go! First, white ball. Classic papers and a little bag. I can see it's series 1, a small spoiler of what we can get. Okay, let's open it. We've got 2 baguettes and some kind of jar. Oh, there is a label for the jar. It's strawberry jam. Alright. No waiting around, let's stick it on, full precision, and boom! These stickers aren't perfect, to be honest, and the figurines leave a bit to be desired, but we will see how it goes later. Little disclaimer, my fingers are in a terrible shape, sorry about that. I pick at my skin because of stress and it's also super dry. So let's treat this as a sign to take better care of my hands. Okay, alright, next ball please, classic papers and a little bag again. Give me that bag. Okay, looks like ice cream and it's lying down and flat on one side. Well, as I said, it's not really precision made. Time for stickers. Of course, I won't complete the whole set, but sticking them on is part of the fun. I was always that kid who saved stickers for special occasions, and now I'm trying to do the exact opposite and enjoying them right now. Third white ball. Oh, here we have a different paper. According to the instructions, it's going to be a bag, so let's fold it. And ta-da! A shopping bag. It's actually a pretty nice shape. Alright, let's open the package. Jesus, flat on one side again. These are some and jam. They look like crabs, to be honest. Time to stick on the label. Look how crooked the bottom of this jar is. Yeah, this is not a very precise product. I kind of hoped that if someone makes miniatures, they would actually be well crafted and cute, especially since they are mass produced. They could try a bit harder. Sticker sticking session, of course. Give me a moment. So, summary of the 3 white balls. 2 croissants, 2 baguettes, a shopping bag, 2 jams and 3 ice creams. Quantity wise it's okay, but quality wise it's strong too. And time for purple balls. Let's open it. This time we've got blue leaflets and a red little bag. Okay, and here I got a ball and a cutting board. Quick look at the leaflet. This seems to be a kitchen tools series. I would really love to get some kitchen machines or a toaster. I might have to try making one myself. Well, ball is a ball and board is a board. Nothing special, but they will be useful for my project. Next ball please. I can see the leaflets are different, even though it's supposedly also series 3. Let's take a look. And here we have a glass and what I think it's a cactus, but the cactus is terribly made, a crooked paint job. Okay, the stickers will wipe my tears away. Come on, the cactus is awful, admit it. But the glass is fine though, actually kind of nice. Alright, last purple ball. A quick comparison of series I know nothing about. And Basia came to watch. We got some kind of bottle and a tray. We've got a kitchen cleaning product and a tray. In the picture it's wooden, but the one I got is plastic. I will stick the label on the cleaner. It's probably some kind of the kitchen cleaning cream. The tray is just a tray, not very detailed, just a tray. Time for summary. We've got tray, detergent, cutting board, bowl, awful cactus and a glass. It's better. I would say it's 5. Alright, and now the yellow balls. I will open one that I already opened on vacation. There are probably items from 2 balls here, but I don't really remember exactly. We've got some butter, breakfast cereal, a sink sponge, another detergent, a strawberry drink and an unlabeled carton of some liquid. Okay, let's label it. I think it's strawberry milk. Ew. I can already see the sticker is too wide and I will have to cut a part of it off. Alright, next, gimme the bowl. And what do we have here? A pasta box, actually pretty nice, pretty well made, big plus. The drink is great too, lots of detail, even a little lemon, nice. And for balance, a flat package of peas. Okay, I'm not complaining. Let's get to the stickers. Overall, I like these sets, but I think I like them more when there is something to assemble myself, because then I can refine it more. I have control over the final result. And I discovered that I still had one more already opened treasure ball from this series in my backpack, so I will show you that too. Of course I'm showing it badly, but I will explain. There is a can of tomato sauce or something. An awful pizza. A water bottle, flat chips, a glass, an awful sandwich, tomato juice, not the worst, and a little receipt booklet. Not great, not terrible. Let me know what you think about toys from this series. I still have 2 big balls waiting to be opened, so this definitely isn't the end of my journey with this series, even though some products are disappointing, like that awful cactus, but oh well. See you in the next video. Stay safe and cozy, and bye!